channel. Okay, so we're looking at the weekly review just for the week that just concluded, and I must say that it was a very beautiful week. I was thinking that GU was going to take out this particular lower high and probably begin to go for this liquidity grab, just as I discussed with you during the weekly analysis. I said it's either going to break and keep going upward, or it's going to give a rejection and then gives us a bearish confirmation. Now the bearish move was indeed very bearish. You can see it was a long bearish move. When you go down to the 15-minute, then you can see it very clearly. All I can say is that our strategy has really improved, and from the way we are going, we're going to be very profitable every week. So I want to employ that every one of you that are following me on all of my channels, Facebook, YouTube, on X, and those of you following this YouTube channel, I want you to pay attention to whatever updates I give. When I say this is the weekly analysis and this is what's going to be happening or be expecting in the week, please don't joke with it, because as you can see, most of the things that I say usually play out, and that means I'm able to tell you what's going to happen in the market, and it happens exactly just as I predicted. Trading is about speculations and predictions. So when you find that a particular mentor's predictions are usually accurate, then such mentor, it will be beautiful for you to take into cognizance most of his speculations, because such speculations will help you to be able to navigate your way through the market. So if you look at the entries we took on GU, sorry please, my network just broke now. I want it to come back so I can show you those entries. If you see those entries, you see that they are very accurate entries. In fact, the way we entered those entries were very beautiful. There's something I've been practicing, and it's buying at discount, selling at premium. Why sell at premium and buy at discount? Because of the security. When you buy anything outside discount, you're buying at a very expensive price, and when the market does not eventually move, you find out that you're already on too much losses. But when you buy at a discount price, even if the market does not eventually move, you find out that you will have opportunity to still sell. That's if you're selling commodities. You find opportunity that you can still exit that particular trade, even in better loss or in little profits. Okay, same thing goes vis-a-vis for selling. When you're selling, you find out that you are able to exit at a better loss or even a lower loss. So the network seemed not to be refreshing as expected. Okay, saying no network. I think I should turn on the network. So I wanted to show you the entries quickly, then take you straight to EU and gold. Alright, just got another network. Okay, so yeah, we're connected. So these are the entries. The first one was a failed entry, but you see, we're able to know that it's failed entry, so we exited at a good loss. Okay, now this was what we anticipated, but we got induced, and we've corrected that error so we don't get induced like that again next time. And then this one was a perfect entry. You can see the discount entry. Now if you want to learn how I was able to catch this entry, then maybe you need to subscribe for my mentorship, okay, or you pay attention to whenever I'm teaching. Maybe I'm having a free class. Okay, the same thing repeated itself here. These are mitigation blocks. Okay, these ones were mitigation blocks, like this mitigation block, and this was a breakout block. Okay, so and we're able to take we traded for only just 4 days, because the first week the first day of the week was a public holiday, so and we're able to take just, sorry, not 5 entries. We took 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 entries. Wow, this is beautiful. In spite of the fact that we traded for 4 days, and this was the only one that gave us loss. Okay, this was profit, 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 and this was profit. Now this is something you can observe. If this was extended, let's say we held this, then you see that he actually went to take profit. Okay, but because we perceived this more like a reversal, so we exited. Then we took this, which it was scalping, because this was a counter trade, so we exited before it reversed. So this particular one, we didn't quite go in because of the confirmation. Waiting for confirmation, the price began to push up. It when it got initiated from here, but I personally got I initiated the entry. It's just that it was already too late for me to tell those on the VIP and the free channel to get initiate. See, because I'm the one that is spotting, this is why I got initiated. You can see it on the 3 minutes time frame, and that particular entry went straight to TP, and the same thing repeated again here. Okay, I gave this entry and many didn't get initiated into it, but I initiated mine and I took profit just I think around this side before price began to reverse. So the review now is, I said we're going to actually make more profit if we hold these trades for long. Imagine coming into this trade from here and we're breaking even, managing this trade until we got here. This will be massive profit, because this is just about 106 pips. That's massive profit. So that's the adjustment I want us to do. That's what we're reviewing. We're going to look out for these trends. Once we see this trend, like we have our MSS, that's market structure shift or change of character confirmed, like as it was here, and then break of structure confirmed. What we're going to be looking out for is a trend. And we're looking out for a trend. If it gives this reversal, which is just a partial change of character, and there's a failed high, that's a failed break of structure, then we'll be looking out for a downtrend. So that will help us to be able to hold trade, because there's no trade that just moves. Okay, it will go and then do a little bit of retracement. Most times that retracement, there's this fear that comes and it makes you always want to exit. But what I would try to do now is I'm going to be seeing how I can spot this trend. Like this was a very beautiful trend, there's not much of reversals. All you needed to do is just keep on breaking even until it hits take profit. So we have this first one hit take profit, we have the second one hit take profit. This didn't really hit, but if it was extended it will hit. This one hits take profit. So we have 3 hits take profit on the free pair that I always post. And then on EU played out very well. We took only 3 EUs. Take profit, take profit, take profit. EU is just the best for the week. So it's just 3 and the 3 hits take profit. Gold was just 2 and the 2 hit take profit. This just shows that we've gone a long way to improve a lot on our strategy. So I'm imploring that any one of you who has access to our free channel, please take advantage of every opportunity that you get there. And if you have access to our VIP channel, thumbs up to you. The gold and the EU signal is mostly posted there. I think these 3 pairs, with these 3 pairs we have our hands full. For the following week, we want to focus on these 3 pairs. We want to see how we can maximize it so we can make more money. Let's not focus on trying to get more pairs in. Okay, let's not focus on that. Let's not over trade. Let's not get ourselves overwhelmed. Okay, remember that one of the key strategy in winning in trading is simplicity. So you've got to simplify whatever you're doing, and in such scenario you're able to discover your errors and you're able to correct your errors. But when there's some kind of complexity in whatever you're doing, you find that it becomes difficult for you to be able to spot the errors or to make corrections around the errors. So take note of that. I'll be looking forward to having those of you on the VIP class by 9 p.m. today, and for those of you on the free channel, I'm going to be with you next week Monday
for weekly analysis. Until then, keep winning and keep having a good weekend.